How to delete Gemini history. Let's get started. If you only want to delete one conversation, move your cursor over the chat title in the left sidebar. Click the three-dot menu that appears, then select Delete. Confirm your choice, and that conversation will be permanently removed. If you'd rather clear your entire chat history, click Settings in the bottom left corner of the Gemini window, then select Activity. This will open your Google Activity page. On the Activity page, click the Delete button above your activity list. You'll see several options, including Last Hour, Last Day, and All Time. Select All Time, then confirm your choice to permanently delete your entire Gemini chat history. If you don't want Gemini to save your future conversations, stay on the same page and turn off Gemini Apps activity. Keep in mind that even with this setting disabled, Google may temporarily retain conversations for up to 72 hours for safety, security, and feedback purposes. However, they won't appear in your chat history or be used to personalize your experience over time. And that's it. Your Gemini chat history has been cleared, and you're ready to start fresh. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.